Are recurring welding problems eating away at your profits, slowing down production, and driving you absolutely crazy? You're not alone. The welding industry loses millions of dollars annually to faulty welds and welding equipment problems. But what does typical weld troubleshooting look like? It's just a game of trial and error. You try one fix, then another, hoping something sticks. But this guesswork costs you valuable time, materials, and endless frustration. But what if you could approach every welding problem with the precision and confidence of a seasoned welding engineer? What if you not only fixed the problem, but understood why it happened, ensuring it never comes back? That's exactly what our Weld Troubleshooting for Non-Welding Engineers guide delivers. This isn't just another chart. It's a complete coaching system designed to empower you with a systematic, 7-step approach to identify root causes, just like the pros do. Inside, you'll find quick reference troubleshooting charts for common issues like porosity, spatter, undercut, cracks, distortion, and a variety of equipment problems. But we go deeper. Every recommended solution comes with a detailed explanation and clear illustrations. You'll understand the theory behind the fix, transforming you from a problem solver to a problem preventer. This comprehensive ebook guides you step by step through identifying and solving crucial issues, from the nuances of porosity and spatter to persistent distortion and cracking, incomplete fusion, and even those tricky equipment malfunctions such as erratic wire feeding, bird nesting, and even excessive consumption of contact tips. This guide is designed for welding leaders, supervisors, production managers, new welding engineers, and even business owners who want to dramatically improve their welding operations. Stop wasting time and money on Band-Aid fixes. Invest in the knowledge that transforms your entire welding process. Weld Troubleshooting for Non-Welding Engineers will arm you with the strategies to boost productivity, enhance quality, and significantly reduce operational costs. This isn't a physical book. It's an instant PDF download, available immediately after purchase. Get started on the path to mastering weld troubleshooting today